Hey, what's up fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely delicious honey glazed ham. Now, gone are the days that you gotta wait in a line for a honey baked ham, right? Or make a reservation, you know what I'm saying? Now you can make this in your own home. I'm gonna tell you, it's absolutely simple, absolutely delicious. Let me get you in the game and let me show you how to make your own honey baked ham in your crib. Now let's go down to this workstation and let me get you in the game. Hey, this is what we're working with right here, that spiral cut ham. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey, I got me some honey right here, and then I got me a little bit of butter. And then what we want to do is we want to get that butter into that honey, and then when you got it mixed as much as you can go, hey, get you a nice little basting brush right there. And then what we want to do, hey, we want to baste this or brush this ham with this butter and honey mixture. So what I want to do is I want to carefully pull back these layers of the spiral cut ham like so. And as you can see right here, I'm just getting down into those cracks of that spiral cut ham. Now that ham will stop at the bone, as you know, from the saw or the knife cutting this ham. And then we're going to hit the top, get that top coated. And that front piece of the ham may, flop a little bit, but hey, it's okay, because we're going to work with that. We're going to work with it. I want to get all sides of this ham coated. So I'm going to take this, right? And then I'm going to set this into my crock pot because we're going to heat this up. So it's already fully cooked. This is a smoked ham. So what we want to do, and this is an 8-pound ham here, we want to place this into our crock pot. Now before we put this top on it, I'm gonna hit this. I'm gonna use all my little, honey and butter. I ain't letting nothing go to waste. Hey, we're gonna place this top on this crock pot here. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this on. So what we wanna do is we wanna go 2 hours on high. So make sure you got it on the high setting. Now we're going 2 hours in that crock pot. Now let me tell you the beauty of that. Hey, you got that crock pot because you can now, focus on other recipes in your oven. If you don't have a double, style oven like me, I need every bit of real estate that I need. So that crock pot is going to heat that ham up while you can work on other recipes like some mac and cheese. You probably got that turkey going, that cornbread dressing. Hey, I can go on and on, right? Hey, like I said, in 2 hours, we're going to come back. We're going to check on that ham, and then we're going to finish this recipe. It's been 2 hours. And look at that right there. Hey, that ham is ready to go. It's ready for the next step. We got to get this smoked ham out this crock pot, and then we gonna get it glazed up. We in the game, fam. Now what I'm working with me some sugar, and then I got my spices. Now again, the ingredients will be in the description box. Hey, check out those ingredients. And what we want to do is we want to get this mixed in. Once all your spices are mixed in, now what we want to do is we want to go and we want to sprinkle this on to this ham. Now this is going to give it that nice crispy, crunchy, sweet crust that you like, and you want to kind of use this generously over this top. Place this in the oven. We're gonna place this on broil. Now this is the time that you need to really watch your ham, right? You don't want this to burn, but you want this to caramelize, and it's gonna do it quick, so keep an eye on it. All right, fam, like I said, this doesn't take long at all. You see right there, that caramelization of those sugars, you want to remove that before it burns. It smells absolutely delicious. Hey, we're gonna set this on the stove top, and we're gonna work on that glaze. Now check this out in that background right there. Hey, look at that mac and cheese right there. Hey, we just took it out the oven, it's cooling. Hey, check out that recipe of that cheesy baked mac and cheese, fam. So I'm gonna take the rest of that sugar mixture that we have, and we're gonna make nice little glaze. Don't forget about all that nice little juice that you had cooking and brewing. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pour that in that pot, just a little bit of it. Now here's my tip on making a glaze. Now if you want a nice crunchy sweet crust, then you will want to take this glaze, and then, you know, before it gets up to a simmer, you want to remove it, then glaze your ham with it. Once you put it in that oven, it's gonna come out, it's gonna be nice and crunchy, it's gonna be sweet. But if you want like a traditional glaze, hey, take this sauce, this glaze up to a simmer, and then it's gonna thin out. Those sugars will be able to melt completely, and then you can glaze the ham. But either way that you go, hey, this glaze is absolutely delicious. I chose to go with a nice sweet crunchy crust on that honey baked ham, and you'll be in the game. Now we're gonna place this ham in the oven, and we're gonna let these sugars, you know what I'm saying, caramelize, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious, fam. Like I said, it's gonna come out, it's gonna be nice and crunchy. Yes sir, but you gotta watch it though, because it can burn. And then on the last portion of this, I want to take that and just, you know, hit that front side right there, because that's gonna be your presentation side. And that's where you wanna, you know, you wanna show out a little bit, right? It's the holidays, you got to. You only get once a year, Thanksgiving, to absolutely show out. Now we're going back in the oven. Now, again, here's a critical step. You want to make sure that you kind of watch this, because you do not want this to burn. It looks oh so delicious. So a couple minutes, hey, it's gonna roll, and you bring that thing back out. Keep an eye out on it, because you don't want that top to burn, because it's gonna go quick. And as you see right here, hey, it's starting to caramelize. And look at this right here. Hey, yes sir. Hey, that is absolutely perfect. You do not want to go any further than that, because it's gonna burn. Hey, I got you in the game. Happy holidays. Right, you got your absolutely delicious honey baked ham at home, easy, and you already seen it. Hey, it got that nice crispy crust, and then that caramelization of that brown sugar with the honey. Hey, we're in the game. And that right there, that is absolutely amazing. A nice holiday ham for your holidays, for your table, for your fam. We in the game.